Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is the Tech News Update. We are Friday, November the 30th, 2018, and today in our Tech News, well, the thing that we never thought would happen is happening. Basically, the Alexa devices, the Amazon devices that you have, the assistants, will actually have the ability to stream Apple Music. Yep, it will be available to all devices. You'll need to do a little modification, a little change, but apparently it will work everywhere. Well, Start Page, which is a kind of an equivalent of DuckDuckGo, with the primary reason to exist is to let you search anonymously on the internet. But it's taking another step. It now will also prevent tracking and identifying you on devices when you visit a web page. So this is an interesting concept, as a lot of people are getting more and more weary of Google. Maybe it's a new era of anonymous search engines. Well, this is what they will look like, and basically Microsoft Office is getting a icon redesign for the first time since 2013. It will be rolled to latest versions of Office in the early in 2019. And this is pretty much the icons, what they will look like. They're kind of cute, I would say, but yeah, modernized versions. Well, Germany is on track to maybe have a antitrust case against Amazon. As first of all, on Black Friday, the German Amazon employees decided to go on strike, kind of saying that the work conditions weren't really that great. And now, of course, Germany is looking into the fact that Amazon is maybe a little too powerful and maybe controlling a little more. So we'll see where that is going to happen or not, and what's going to happen. Well, Dell says and has confirmed that it actually caught an act of hacking into its website as it was happening. And basically, it immediately took action, and basically, nobody's personal information was stolen, no sensitive data was stolen, and all they actually were done and doing is, if you have a Dell account, you will be asked to reset your password, and that's it. So at least they caught it in the act of being done, and no personal info stolen. Well, Microsoft says it is working hard with New Delhi police in India to crack down on the scammers that pretend to be from Microsoft tech support. These are very, very popular, and a lot of them are known to come from India. Of course, they try to steal money and basically try to say that you have problems. Remember, if you have any messages that pop up on your screen or any calls on your phone from people pretending to be Microsoft support, this is a scam. It's not true. Do not fall for this. Well, if you're a Marriott or a Starwood guest customer, you might want to check your personal information in your credit cards. 500 million customers were actually hacked. Basically, the information on 500 million customers were stolen. The data breach says that out of 500 million customers, about 327 million are really have full personal details, credit card, passport numbers, and more that were stolen, and this is pretty big. So if you are one of their customers, be careful and check your credit cards and check your personal files and your credit score, because maybe you could have some problems. So, you want to call Santa? Well, Google has some fun little thing that lets you, if you have an assistant like the Google Home, or even if you have an Android phone, or if you use Google Assistant anywhere, even on a PC, you can ask it to call Santa. I tried it. It's kind of cute. If you have children, it might be fun. And basically, there's a variety of different messages and interactions. So it's kind of cute. If you want to try it out, all you have to do is, say the magic word to start your assistant, and just say call Santa. Well, this is interesting. This is a printout of something that happened As the race to beat PewDiePie subscriber count is going on, something happened this week where thousands of printers around the world were hacked and printed a message in support of PewDiePie. It said to subscribe and took advantage of what is known as a open port hack that many printers are vulnerable to. So if you woke up to this message on your printer was hacked. And of course it asks to subscribe to, whoever. Microsoft has won a $480 million contract with the U.S. military. It will bring 100,000 specially adapted HoloLens to the battlefield and, of course, to areas where they need to have interaction with the U.S. Army and try to, of course, that will probably help a lot in the training of the military. Of course, as with every military contract from these big companies, a lot of employees are not super happy with Microsoft, but hey, if it's not Microsoft, it'll be somebody else. And according to Akamai, millions of old unpatched routers that have the universal plug-and-play ports open are getting hacked every day. And this is pretty interesting because it's something that we've talked about a few times in the past couple of months. A lot of old routers that are unpatched because they have no more updates have this exploit where using ports you can actually infect a router and do pretty much what you want with it, even steal personal info. And basically I've been kind of saying that you might want to update your routers if it's old. Facebook is of course one of the websites that, according to Mark Zuckerberg, should have fixed itself by the end of this year, as the Cambridge Analytica scandal was raging, and also many warnings of Russian meddling. Well, Mark Zuckerberg had said that by the end of the year, Facebook would be pretty much fixed. But in reality, anything changed? I don't think so, and it doesn't seem like it, as Facebook has pretty much failed to do much about what's happening. And finally, Starbucks wants you to stop watching porn. Apparently, it will block and enforce bigger porn filters because it says that some people are just sipping their coffee and watching porn on their phones, and it's annoying them. And I personally think if you're sipping coffee at the Starbucks, what the hell are you doing watching porn, actually? Yeah, you should do that at home. I don't know, but that's maybe just me. Anyways, just, to know if your favorite porn site doesn't work in Starbucks soon, you'll know why. And this was the Tech News Update for Friday, November 30th, 2018. You enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.